You ready? Go, brother, go. Good, Brandon, go. Good, in and out. Wonderful, good agility, good. Keep moving, forward roll. Excellent, good. Jump right on that and mount it. Good. Let's see some power punches, Brandon. Jump right on top, mount that. Good, nice. Ready, 4 punches. Ready, loud cheers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good, excellent. Ready? Good power, good strength. Ready, Brandon? Right here, jump. Jump right over, jump on. Good, 1, good. Jump on next one. Good ability. Good spring. Good, jump again, loud key on this one. Jump. Nice, good, Brandon. Now get down low, belly down low. Good, use those muscles, Brandon. Good, ready? Use that upper body strength and lower. You're doing wonderful, doing terrific. Man, you are going fast. Right there, Brandon, when you bang out 3 push-ups for everybody. Okay, count them out for us.
1, 2, 3.
Good, excellent. Now walk on the rope of fire. Okay, rope of fire. Just 2 shoulders put together, but now it's a rope of fire. Good. Go right over those hurdles. 1, great, excellent. Now turn around, face the camera. Okay, Brandon, I want to see 2 jump front kicks. Loud key. Ready, go. Good. Nice and high. Ready? Good. Excellent. Great. Good power. Good strength, man. High five, my friend. High five. Good job, son. Okay, look over here. Okay, right over here. Brandon, right over here. Okay, excellent. What we just did right now, an outdoor course, all my son and I did was we just kind of grab things from around the house, put them up everywhere. When we do after this, we're going to move around again, maybe add a couple things, take some things away, make it a different outdoor course. Simple, easy. Usually when it's a nice day out, we go outside and do it, but you know what? This is fun inside the house. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel, Dragon Power 91, and also we share these videos with everybody else. Okay, Brandon, tagline?
Remember to put the subscribe button behind.
Okay, guys, excellent job, everybody. Also, this music, it's AMAA song. It's our anthem. Okay, it's all done by Ricardo Santiago. Okay, it's AMA. We don't play. Okay, if you hear it a little bit, it's really cool. It's a Friday night. It was awesome that you did that for us. Okay, thank you, everybody.